Solve without pen. 80. Parrot, river, and classroom. Parrot. A pet shop owner tries to talk a customer into buying a parrot, bragging that the bird repeats everything it hears. The customer buys the parrot. However, later on, he realizes that the parrot repeats nothing. Can you definitely say that the owner of the shop has lied about the bird? River. Two men approach a river. There is a small boat that can carry the weight of a single person. Nevertheless, each of the men crosses the river in this boat one time. They do not use a rope or anything else, and nobody helps them. How do they handle this situation? Classroom. There are 36 people in the classroom. The number of boys is greater than the number of girls by 3. How many boys are in the room? Solutions. Parrot. Answer. The owner has told the truth. The parrot is deaf. It hears nothing, so it repeats everything it hears. River. There is no trouble at all because the two men have come up to opposite sides of the river and cross it in the boat one man at a time. Classroom. Answer. 19. The teacher is also included in the number of the people in the classroom.